In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate your EBT card on New York. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly activate your EBT card if you are located in the state of New York. So, assuming that you have already received your EBT card and you are ready to activate it, set up the PIN and start using the benefits, all that you have to do is call the number on the back of the card. So for this video, I'm not going to go over the whole process of checking your eligibility, applying and receiving the card. I'm only going to teach you how to properly get it working and activated. So like I said, turn the card around and you will find a phone number that you need to call. Usually, it is going to be 1-888-328-6399. By calling this number, this hotline which operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you will be able to follow the prompts to activate your EBT card. So they are going to be automated prompts and the system will likely ask you to choose your preferred language. Next, you will be prompted to enter your 16 or 19-digit EBT card number using the keypad on your phone. So just proceed and start inputting all of the digits. Once it is done, you will be prompted to create your PIN. The PIN will be used every time that you take the benefits from the card, so you have to memorize this PIN. So once the system verifies the EBT card number, you will be able to create your own 4-digit PIN, and after it is done, you will be able to use your EBT card. It should now be activated, ready to use to receive your benefits. Make sure that you do not enter your social security number when prompted for your PIN. And if you have a P-EBT card, which refers to the pandemic EBT card, the activation process might be slightly different. So I would highly recommend that you call the number and you try to do these usual steps that I mentioned earlier, but if it doesn't work, then you will have to visit additional sources like the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate EBT card on New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.